Hello tech lovers, today's video is on Viki Mini V13 drone. Through extensive research, and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. Nowadays we need drones for various reasons. Drones are becoming a part of our life. Whether we like adventure, or we are filmmakers, or we are busy people and nature lovers at the same time, drones are a gadget everyone needs. They have become inseparable from our life. Drones are becoming more advanced day by day. And the more they are advanced, there has been a rising in these quadcopters and other types of drones. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. Among the budget and good quality drones, Viki Mini cuts a special place. It has lots of impressive features, and they are necessary for different reasons. It is about 23 centimeters in length and 23 meters in width, 4.5 centimeters in height when it is expanded. And it is 6.5 centimeters by 11 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters when folded. It has got one unique and common design. It has a new design concept, and this drone is equipped with current many advanced technologies of drones. Its design has made it effective and a performance monster in short. It has made a strong debut with its high-definition cameras. The artifact people want is present in this. They claim 6K image reconstruction flight imagination will take you to another height. But though they claim 6K, you know that in this budget price, genuine 6K is not possible. You will get nothing but blockbuster clips. The high-definition pixels will help to create your own masterpiece. With high-definition video ability and high dynamic range, you'll be able to freeze beautiful moments. Its front high-definition lens also provides 110-degree wide angle. The bottom lens can also switch the viewing angle. With the dual perspective, it will give you the ability to discover more. As a battery design, modular design is a very popular and necessary design for drones. Modular design makes installing process of drones very easy. The changing process of the battery becomes easy. It opens up a door to charge a battery up, then install the installed one and set the charged one more fun. This mini drone can provide about 20 minutes of flight time. Now it is time to discuss various functions of Viki Mini V13 drone. Smart hovering is an important feature for stability. It helps keep the drone stable and provide stable and quality clips. They provide smooth clips, and they also help the operator to have relaxing flight. Viki Mini has smart hover that provides good control. Even novices can get started and have an awesome flying experience. Whether flying indoors or outdoors, everyone can stay humble all times, and almost anyone can fly. One-click control features are easy and necessary for drones. They are essential to make flying a drone easy and effective. Its one-click system will allow you easily achieve takeoff and landing. They will provide you with easy flight. This is a good controllable device. The one-key return feature is the most important of these one-key features. It helps to return instantly in emergency situations. It has an image transmission feature, and you will be able to see what's happening far away. It will let you see the footage where your drone is present and he is watching. It will let you watch and enjoy wonderful picture in the distance. You can watch the clips and views through your mobile phone. The gesture photo feature can be considered one of the favorite features of photo enthusiasts. It is also liked by people who love adventure and click photos through their journey. It makes capturing photos and videos easy. You won't have to click any buttons repeatedly to capture photos or videos. It is a shortcut and an effective way to click pictures without any hassle. You can wave to take photos or videos. While waving your hand, you can realize taking photos or videos. Aim at the drone camera while flying, and the corresponding gestures can be used to take pictures. Zooming is an interesting and needed feature for photographers. It provides a closer view of objects. It also provides details and beauty of objects. The more one specific device can zoom, the more it is considered as a good camera device. The more zooming ability one device has, the closer view you can get. Viki Mini has 50x zoom for easy and free framing. 1 to 50 times free zoom can be achieved through the app. Shoot without fear of high altitude vision. The ability to beautify photos and add filters provides the drone to have high-definition video, high dynamic range photos, and clearly freezes beautiful moments. And the processes of having beauty shooting and adding filters are also easy processes. The trajectory finger or waypoint flying feature is like a blessing to the operators. It makes flying a drone a piece of cake. Viki Mini also has a waypoint flight or trajectory fingering feature. Draw a track on the app and enjoy automatic flight instantly. When you draw the trajectory on the app, the drone will follow it and fly according to the drawn trajectory. It has a speed switch feature. You can switch speed according to your choice and needs. Night lights are necessary for people who love to fly their drones at nighttime too. For the night owls, or those people who love to collect nighttime clips of the environment, its night light helps enjoy barrier-free travel at night. It is configured with bright LED lights, and they will let you fly at night unimpededly. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. The pros are good quality night lights, about 20 minutes of flight time, unique design. The one-click features are great, 110-degree wide angle and high-definition cameras. The cons are the camera quality could be better according to the 6K camera. Portability could be improved. Is it a good drone? Is it worth buying? Why not? It has a great flight time and some one-click features at a budget price. There are night lights for night lovers. Design and build quality are great and unique from some angles. Multiple serviceable devices and beginners are welcome to fly them. A great device for pro flyers too. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.